Okay, so there's a thunderstorm right there, guys. There's a thunderstorm. There's a thunderstorm, right? Hey, Bruce, right? Wait, there's a thunderstorm. What? Bro, there's a thunderstorm.
I know.
What are you doing, Junior? Why are you climbing that? Why are you climbing that, Junior? I'm actually recording you because so people can look at you because you're interrupting the whole thing. So, guys, look, there's a big thunderstorm right there. This big thunderstorm.
It's going closer.
And it's coming close. And it's coming closer to us, guys. So, you gotta go back inside. You gotta go back inside. And if the thunderstorm comes, and if... Wait, shush, guys, shush. And if the thunderstorm's really coming, guys, say yeah.
Close the door.
Be sure to like and subscribe if the thunderstorm's really going to come. And goodbye, guys.